You know, it almost feels unreal. I can something as small as this packet, ready-to-use therapeutic food, literally help save a child back from the edge of death. What's inside it that makes it so powerful?
This RUTF, or ready-to-use therapeutic food, is really revolutionary for the nutrition program because it's just a small pack, but it's so full of nutrients that keeps the child going and to become healthy.
One of these a day?
A day. This is what they would take a day.
They would take this from 4 to 8 weeks.
Yes. And
incredible.
What is also amazing about this ready-to-use therapeutic foods, it's ready. So the mothers don't have to cook, or you don't have to get water to prepare it. That means for places like here in South Sudan, where less than 50% of the population have access to safe water or to clean water, it means that the children are safe while they're eating this. Yeah, so it's really revolutionary for us.
It's amazing what this little packet can do. But I keep thinking, is that all a malnourished child needs? What else needs to happen for a child to really recover and stay healthy?
A child needs the ready-to-use therapeutic foods, but also needs a lot of other interventions so that the child gets better. We also counsel mothers or provide nutrition education to the mothers, where we teach mothers what to feed, how to feed, and when to feed their children so that they're healthy, using local foods. We have amazing community networks.
Yes.
And this is what we call the mother-to-mother support groups. We co-create solutions together. So that community network is so critical. Another thing that we do is to make sure we provide safe water. So it's a whole ecosystem. You know, it's the nutrition, it's the health, it's the water and sanitation.
Yes.
And we see that when we combine this, more children actually don't relapse.
I have so much admiration for what you do, for what UNICEF does. You're on the front lines, helping children, the most vulnerable. And you keep going, day after day after day, despite seeing so much pain, suffering. How do you hold on to hope?
What really keeps me going every day is to make sure that those children that come with severe acute malnutrition, very sick, and get out alive is my joy. When we nourish our children well, when we treat them when they are sick, when we educate them, oh my, they become just amazing.
Yes.
and wonderful in what they do.